Hey guys, the CTI Group Maritime Challenge is on. Show your company spirit. Rise up. Stay strong. We will be back. www.cti-usa.com to register.
Hello guys, Eduardo Ferraz from CTI USA. Today it's a very exciting day. I want to invite you guys to click on this button, subscribing our channel. All the things that you already know. We have appreciation for you guys that is here with us over a year, making videos, being part of our lives and everything that we do. As you guys probably know, the cruise industry are getting back to normal, are getting back to return, ready to return. And for Carnival, to celebrate about Carnival, it's a company from 1972. It's a beautiful company, and they are launching this new ship, which is going to be sailing 2021, the Carnival Mardi Gras. And for a tribute from that, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this game. As I mentioned to you guys, Monopoly is the game that you can play with your family. I'm not here trying to sell this game. It costs only 30 bucks in USA. Maybe you can have fun with your family, as Carnival is all about fun. I'm gonna go ahead and unboxing this here right in front of you, and let's see what is inside. Let's see what Carnival has put together with Monopoly and how this can impact our lives. Okay, so I'm gonna be holding here and removing things piece by piece, and then let's see how that goes. Okay, first let's remove this right here. I don't have assistant today, so have to be very careful. This piece, get away. So this is the manual, which is explain everything that you need to know before you play. All right. This is the cash. It's a fake cash, of course. It's a Carnival logo inside. That's really cool. So let me see if you guys can see that, the cash. Those are the cards where you can have fun. You know, these cards also talk about pricing and how can you build hotels. I'm going to explain that later. Actually, you can see on the link here below how to play this game. Let's see what else can I remove here. Wow, look at the board of this game. How pretty. That's Miami. Oh my god. Oh my god, let me put this here. Ooh, wow. Carnival Mardi Gras and in Miami. Look how pretty is that. I love it. So I like to play this game online. You can download the app as well. I haven't found the Carnival one online, but I'm gonna search for. But it's really fun because you can play with people all over the world. Look how nice is that. Hold on guys, hold on. Let me hold this here. This is cool. So basically, this is the houses that you have to buy, right? I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna give a little, a little going through of this game. And this is the players. So if I have to explain Monopoly in the very short words, let's say less than a minute. Let me try less than a minute. So you have to pick one of the players here. The horse, the hat, the dog. So I'm gonna pick the horse, okay? I have the player. I have two dices and I have to roll the dices. Basically, everybody starts from here, from goal. And your goal is to go around the board. So as you play the dice, let's say my dice got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I got here, it's something that I have to do. So if I'm just passing through this is a jail. If I'm just passing through, I don't have to be stopped here. But let's say if I go to this field here, this field, let me see what it is. It's Carnival Adventures. So if I'm Carnival Adventures, you see they have a color, like a pink color. You have 3 of those. My goal is to buy this area here because 140 bucks of this money here. So once I buy, I'm going to pick up one of those cards, and now I'm the owner of this place. My goal is to buy 3 of them, because after I buy 3 of them, I can start to put houses on it. So if I have 3, I can put one house here, one house here, one house here. And how can I win this game? So as I'm playing against my brother, my sister, my father, my mom, let's say if they land here in a place like that, if I have a house here, they have to pay me rent. So as more houses that I have here, I get more rent. And as I complete 4 houses, I can put a hotel, which is way more rent they have to pay. So usually everybody starts with 1,500, like 1,500. And every time when you complete 1 lab here, you get 200 more. Plus, along the way when you go, you have to pay people's rent. Sometimes you have to pay taxes. Sometimes you get some penalties. So it's a very, very exciting board to play with your family. I think that's simple, right? So you can go through if you want to understand more about it. I'm going to leave a link here below explaining how this game works. Of course, it's not going to be into the Carnival board, but I'm very excited with the layout. They made, you know, Carnival Mud Grass, living Miami. It's beautiful. I love that. I really do love that. Okay guys, so that is a just fun, you know, a video that I try to make for you guys, doing this unboxing here. And I hope you guys are already subscribing our channel. If not, so please go ahead and do it. Oh my god, like how can I close this? I don't want to break this, right? Unboxing is easy. Oh, done. Putting this back here, putting this back here, putting this back here. Let me put back, right? Let me be organized here. Putting back. The same way that I unbox, now I'm boxing back. And you're able to take everywhere you go. So this is a very fun game. I suggest you guys to learn how to play. This can give you a lot of understanding about financing, about entrepreneur, how can you work with your money, how can you invest your money a little bit, and all the time have fun. Okay, thank you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. We're ready to take off. We're ready to return to the cruise, and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget, subscribe on our channel, give your like, share this content with your friends, and stay tuned because we have lots of news to share with you. The Maritime Challenge 2021 is on. If you want to win over $1,000, if you want to show the world your talent and everything that you can do behind the scenes, go to our website cti-usa.com and submit, register with us, send to us your video. Also, the link below here, you can register through that link. So I'm excited and we are excited to see your talent, and you can share your talent to the world. That's it.